Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to try for the first time Sephora eyeshadows. I've never tried any of the Sephora eyeshadows. As you know, we don't have Sephora in the UK. We have one in France which we can order from. But as you know, I've been to Spain and they have Sephora there. So I purchased this miniature palette and I think this one is Biscuit. Oh my god! I've just noticed this is made in Poland, in my land. I can't see the name of this palette. That's so annoying. I know there was a name because when I was doing the haul I told you what it was, so I think this one was called Biscuit. So I bought it because I thought this would be so fabulous when you just go for a weekend, you know, and you don't need to think of lots of different eye looks. This is very neutral palette. I've swatched them all here. So this is vanilla. This is a matte eyeshadow, but like a satiny matte. Then you've got Biscuit. That's beautiful actually. Then you have Peanut, then Caramel, then Coca, and Popcorn. Popcorn is shimmery. They look really beautiful. So I'm going to do like a simple look. Obviously you can't do anything extravagant with those colors, but I wonder, you know, what the quality is like and all that. So I think I will start with my crease and I will use the Biscuit shadow. Oh, they're quite powdery. Do you like my little clips? I bought these in Spain. Right, today I am filming in natural light. I didn't need my ring light, but unfortunately if the sun keeps going in and out, the lighting might be changing, so I might have to turn my ring light on at some point. They are not, you know, pigmented like the Anastasia or Urban Decay, but they blend in. It's blending out okay. Pretty color, but you know, it's a color like millions that I have like that. Don't you hate when the concealer crinkles on your old crepey eyelid? Yeah, it is definitely not the best quality, but you know, I think that was something like €7. I might be mistaken, but it wasn't expensive at all. I so wish we had Sephora here. I just don't get it why we don't. Yeah, it's really pretty. I might use the Peanut now on my mobile lid. It's funny because it looks really light in here, but it looks totally different on the eye. It looks more peachy. Pretty though. Do you know, I still think this will be perfect palette to take away for a weekend. So I'm quite glad I got it, and they came in few different colors. I think there was 4 different ones. There was one that was more purple, one that was more smoky, greyish. That actually sort of melted together. I'm going to use Popcorn, maybe just here, like my inner corner. I'm going to go into Cocoa and just deepen up the crease. They are quite powdery, but I'm actually not getting that much fallout, so if you tap it off, you should be fine. Yeah, you can't go wrong really with these shadows, you know, very neutral, and you can go really lightly or really build them up, so there is nothing really wrong to say. I'm putting Biscuit on my lower lash line. There is nothing really to complain about this palette, you know, for the price. So I would say if you are like a beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of money on eyeshadows, start with something basic like this, because to me that's a look in itself, all done. Let's try this vanilla. I put it here in the middle. This one is matte, and it's a quite nice opaque matte, and I like that. I love it when I can define my mobile lid with a matte light brightening eyeshadow like this. Can you see how that opens up your eyes? So this is really good one, this one. I'm just using them all, you know. It's more to see what the quality is like. It's a, you know, drugstore quality, I would say, but I like it. Yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, it's a really, really lovely, handy palette. I love the colors. They are, yeah, they are like milk chocolate type of colors. You know, it reminds me a bit of the Urban Decay, the mini naked palettes. And they were quite expensive, weren't they? So, and I never bought them actually because I thought it was too much money for a boring palette like that, basic palette like that. So yeah, this is really nice. I've got a bit of fallout here, but not too much. I like it. Let's just blend it up a bit. You know, like sometimes with big palettes you can get very overwhelmed. You look at it and you think, oh my god, what do I do? How do I put it together? But this is a no-brainer. I'm just blending all that a bit higher so you can actually see it when I open my eyes. Okay, I'm going to put a tiny bit of black kohl liner just on a half of my lash line. And mascara. Oops. Okay, I'm not going to put any more mascara on because after this I want to film a video on lashes, so false lashes. Do you know what? I really love this look. It's very delicate, very sophisticated. I reckon that this is gonna become like my everyday palette. I call them no-brainer palette, you know, brain dead palettes, because even I get overwhelmed when I open 12 shadow out palette with all sorts of different colors. I will sit there for a while and thought, what shall I do, what shall I put with what, whereas this is, I mean, how quick was that? 5 minutes? Okay, let's do lips. Today for my lips, I thought I'd choose something a bit different because I always do the NYX. I've got my Dior, it's almost gone. I think this color is Airy Mauve, and yes, Airy Mauve, which is like a purple pink, and I think this color is quite hard to get. I don't know why I chose that. It's very pink. Doesn't matter. I just wanted to use something different on my lips. I am not that, I don't get that excited about lipsticks, and in a day when I'm not doing videos, I will just pop on lip gloss. I don't really wear lipstick every day. And then I thought I will use the Dose of Colors lipstick in blush. It's like a really pale pink. It is very pale. I like it though. Oh, I think that would have looked better with maybe darker lip liner. And then I'm going to use BUXOM lip gloss in Kimberley. Love BUXOM lip glosses. Oh, the sun going in and out, the lighting is a bit changing. Right. I really, really love that look, the eye look. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend to buy it, you know, as long as you know, but it's reflected in a price that it is not, you know, very pigmented like Wizard, Natasha Denona, whatever, but they are good enough eyeshadows. They are very small, they, you know, they don't look like powdery, and yeah, I like it. Let me know if you know of any Sephora own good products, those of you who have Sephora. What else should I look at? What's good Sephora's on? Because my husband often goes to the States on business, and I can always give him a list and send him to Sephora, because I wouldn't mind to try more of the Sephora own products. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.